Hello students, now continuation of previous video. It is given fx equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Then values given f0 given 0, f1 given 3 and f minus 1 given minus 1. Then calculate the value of f minus 3. Okay. First, what is given, from there we start. f0 equals to 0 given. f0 means in place of x you will put 0. So according to the problem, f0 means we will put 0. So a into 0 square plus b into 0 plus c. f0 equal to 0. That means equals to 0. So this is 0, this is 0. So we have got c equal to 0. Next, f1 equals to 3. So f1 means in place of x you will put 1. So a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c equals to, given f1 given 3. Value of c we have got 0. So from here we can write a plus b equals to 3. This is my another equation. So I have got c0 and a plus b equals to 3. And then I will apply f minus 1 equals to minus 1. Okay. Then f minus 1 equals to minus 1 given. So f minus 1 means a into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 plus c equals to minus 1. Or minus 1 whole square, a minus b, c, so already we have got 0 equals to minus 1. So from these two we have to find out the values of a and b. Okay, a plus b 3 and a minus b equals to minus 1. Then elimination method, adding 2a equals to 3 minus a is coming 1. So if a is coming 1 plus b 3, so b is coming, you will put the value of a here, then b will come 2. Clear? a1 b 2. So this was my polynomial fx equals to, this was given. Clear? Now after calculation we have got the values of a, b and c. So we have, now I'll put a1 means x square plus 2x plus c means 0. So my polynomial is x square plus 2x. Clear? As c is 0. Then what to calculate? You have to calculate f minus 3. Therefore, finally f minus 3 you have to calculate. Minus 3 means in place of x put minus 3. 9 minus 6. So my answer is 3. Clear? In this way you will do. Now next one. Okay, if the question is that x plus 2 is a factor of the polynomial this, x cube minus 12x square minus 18x plus a. Here a is unknown, constant. Then what is the value of a? You have to calculate the value of a. Okay. Now it is told x plus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. So factor means x plus 2 equal to 0, x equals to minus 2. We are considering let fx, the polynomial be fx. fx equals to this. when this is a factor, so this value of x will satisfy this. Clear? So according to the problem, we can write f minus 2, x is coming minus 2. So f minus 2 will be 0. Clear? As it is told that x plus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. So x plus 2 is a factor means x plus 2 equals to 0. From there we are getting x equals to minus 2. Then by factor theory we know f minus 2 equals to 0. Now I will apply that f minus 2. Therefore according to the problem, minus 2 whole cube minus 12 into minus 2 whole square minus 18 into minus 2 plus a equals to 0. Then from there we will solve for a. It is coming minus 8, 12, 4, 48, minus 48 plus 36 plus a equals to 0, or minus 48 minus 8 means minus 56 plus 36, that means minus 20. Minus 20 plus a equal to 0, or a will go that side, minus a, therefore value of a is coming 20. Clear? So if it is given that this is a factor of that, then when you will put the value of that factor, then the polynomial will become 0. By applying that condition, we have got the value of a. Clear? Then next one, it is given in MCQ form that if the polynomial is, it is written x square minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial this. Then some relations are given, we will calculate. As x square minus 1 is a factor. So x square minus 1 equal to 0 means x equal to plus minus 1. So it is a factor. So according to the problem, f 1 plus 1 equal to 0 and f minus 1 equal to 0. So first I am putting positive value. That is 1a into 1 to the power 4 means a plus b. I am putting just value of x 1 plus c plus d plus e equal to 0. This relation a plus b plus c plus, it is not given here. Okay, so this is not the correct option. Now I am putting f minus 1. F minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 means minus 1 whole cube means it will become plus. It is becoming minus. It is becoming plus. It is becoming minus plus e equal to 0. Then another relation from here, what we are getting? A plus c plus e. From here, all positive terms keep left hand side. A plus c plus e, and negative terms take that side, b plus d. So this is the correct option. It is given. Clear? It is in MCQ form. Now next one you will get in next video.